All right, guys, kounya nou pou ale fè question yo. We're going to do the question. That's pretty much going to be part 5 in chapter 6. Nou pral fè question yo ensemble. Na fè rapide. Le nou fin ni question, ma pou li question pou, ma pou li réponse yo. Pose it, répondre. Après ça, on pose it pour ka réponse. Mais sous tan, ou quand tan lem fin répondre ni, après répondre ni. That's not how you learn. Okay? Make sure you pause the video, then you answer. If you like it, make sure you share it with somebody else so you can get more people pass examen. Nou ve plus moun pass examen. OK? An ale, première question. Number 1. The regulation on life insurance solicitation apply to all of the following except. Ça veut dire di loi sa li appliqué sur tout type de assurance sa extérieur ni pas appliqué sur li. A, the term life. B, variable life. C, whole life. D, universal life. Pause the video and go ahead and answer. What's the answer?
A.
The answer is B. The regulation does not apply to variable. Remember? Because it does not apply to variable life insurance because part of his investment, part of his insurance. So therefore, there's another department that they will apply, but it does not apply to those ones. Remember that? Okay. Number 2. The responsibility of the agent to make sure that the annuity products meet the consumer needs and financial objectives. Yes, you can say it loud. The responsibility of the agent to make sure that the annuity products meet the consumer needs and financial objective is called A, consideration. B, suitability. C, representation. D, solicitation.
B.
B is correct. B, suitability.
I didn't see that was on mute.
Number 3. What is the maximum amount may be charged for a withdrawal or surrender of an annuity by a senior consumer? A, 5%. B, 10%. C, 20%. C, 25%.
B. 10%. Oh.
Yes,
B.
absolutely. Now, let me show you something. Ouais, depuis nous commençons la question 1 jusqu'à 3, réponse en B. Moun sa t'a pensé un examen. There is no way. Pour moun sa t'a dedans pour y a ban une bonne question. C'est dit. So therefore, ma commence à changer. Ma commence à changer. Quand y a ouais ça, you start guessing because you don't know the material. M'pas ka voir pour examen comme ça pour aller. So aller comme ça, please, don't go yet. So watch the video again, start again and for you. Number 4, issuing or circulating is illustration sales material that false or misleading concerning policy benefit in order to secure a sale is an example of what? A, replacement. B, defamation. C, rebating. D, misrepresentation.
D.
You mean D as in dog?
Yes.
I hope so. Misrepresentation, yes. That is correct. Number 5, an insurer or its agent cannot give any item on the purpose of advertising that has a value of how much? Now, for the purpose of this, let me take this out. Wait. And
100. 100.
all right, now you can answer.
It's 100.
I'll give you this one there. It's 100. Okay. All right, everybody get that. All right. Agent. Number 6, an agent, an insurer must maintain records. Maintain what? Records. Records recommendation and sells product to senior consumer for how long? A, 2 years. B, 3 years. 4. Oh, C, 4 years.
5.
D,
It's 5.
5 years. All
5
day,
years.
5 years, all day, every day. Good job. So let's continue. No break. Quiz number 2. All of the following are duties or replacing products. Producer. Replacing producer except A, obtain a list of all existing policy from the applicant. B, leave the applicant with a copy of all the documentation used in the sales presentation. C, provide the applicant with a copy of notice regarding replacement signed by the applicant and the producer. D, cancel the applicant existing policy once the replacement policy has been issued.
D.
D sound correct to me because we
Fuck,
never
I cancel,
said
yeah.
you cancel the applicant
You
existing
cancel.
policy, replacement policy has been issued. We never do that. Number 2, the notice regarding replacement must be provided to the applicant when the A, agent makes the initial appointment. B, application is taken. C, policy is approved. D, policy is delivered. Notice là, regarding replacement là, qu'il est applicant qu'il est supposé badil. Ah, qu'on y a ou timide, but when loud. What is it? C?
Oui.
Anybody else? Qu'il est supposé badil notice regarding the replacement.
All the initial appointment.
When you're taking the application.
That's what I said, sir. You talk about some C.
Ah, ben, m'te dit si, ou te ka di mba san te di, ou pas sure about yourself.
I was sure.
I mean, she should have been, no, not that one. That's not they said that. I said B. Okay. Now, number 3, the replacing insurer must maintain copy of all replacement documentation for at least how long? A, 7 years. B, 6 years. C, 3 years. D, 1 year.
3 years. C.
Thank you. Number 4, which of the following will not constitute replacement when new life insurance is purchased? A, causing a lapse of an existing policy. B, changing a policy to reduce paid up insurance. C, changing a policy to an extended term insurance. D, converting term insurance within the same company.
D.
D. D.
D as in dog?
Yes.
Yeah, that is correct. Okay, where did this thing go? Okay. D is correct. Number 5, the interest of replacement regulation, the intent of replacement regulation is to protect the original A, producer, B, agency, C, policy owner, D, insurance company. Qui attention replacement régulation? Qui est protégé?
Wait. Protéger policy on air.
Is it the per?
Si, si,
Okay.
si.
Number 6. Il peut dire policy on parce que lui-même qui policy parce que lui-même il va appeler tous nos victimes. Number 6. Which of the following is the duty of an agent when replacing a policy? Qui job ou même qui sont agents lors remplacer une policy au monde? A. Liquidate the cash value of the policy being replaced. B. Notify the Office of Insurance Regulation of the replacement. C. Obtain a signed replacement of notice form. D. Notify the former company.
C'est for notify the insurance company.
Pas oublier me dire que ça, moun qui notifie compagnie,
A notice.
c'est l'autre compagnie. C'est l'assurance compagnie qui notifie. Et l'assurance compagnie, et pas aucun agent qui fait ça. Et pas job agent ça. Job agent, c'est pour le prendre, si replacement vous fait mon connaît, you cannot cancel this policy until you have a new one. I give you notice regarding replacement. It's my job. But a job compagnie pour le faire l'autre compagnie connaît qui policy a bien replaced. Ou pas qu'à liquider cash value dans policy moun non. Et le monde qui fait policy on seulement qui a fait ça. Et you pas jamais dit qu'on va prendre notifier insurance regulation anyway. So be careful. D, c'est duty of the replacing insurer. Number 7, when must insurer notify existing insurer of the receipt of an application for policy replacement? A, immediately. B, within 3 days. C, within 5 days. D,
That.
within 10 days.
A.
Absolutely. Immediately. I did mention that. I forgot. All right, good job. Let's go. We're gonna continue. Quiz number 3. The maximum interest rate that can be charged on a policy loan in Florida is A, 3%, B, 10%, C, 12%, D, no maximum.
10.
Thank you. Number 2, which non-forfeiture benefit become effective in Florida if the policy premium is not paid for at least 1 year and the policy goes into default? A, cash surrender. B, paid up insurance. C, extended term. D, 1 year term.
B.
Yes, we did say that. It was paid up insurance after that 60 days.
Yeah.
We did say that.
Yeah.
But if the premium was not paid for at least 1 year. Number 3, the secondary addressee, the words, is said there to protect elderly against A, identity theft, B, mail fraud. See, those things sound real. It sound really good. C, beneficiary change. D, policy lapse.
Policy lapse.
Thank you. Yep, because they got an extra, they got, if I put it again, they have 30 days plus how many days?
51.
21 days. Oops. What?
21.
Come on.
51.
Come on. That's not. Oh, you're tripping. I want to put 21 equal 51 days.
51. Yeah.
So somebody, un moun qui est âgé, 64 ans or older, plus, so they get an extra 21 days, so their grace period becomes 51 days. So now they get a secondary notice to let them know their policy is going to be lapsed.
Lapse.
All right, let's continue. Number 4, the minimum age to enter into life insurance or annuity in Florida is A, 13, B.
B.
Oh, 15. C. 18. D. 21. Number 5. The provision that protect a proceed from creditor's claim. A. Spendthrift clause. B. Insurance clause. C. Consideration clause. D. Incontestability clause.
Let's see.
Spendthrift, whatever the word is.
Hey. Spendthrift.
Right. Because insurance clause, this is promise, you die, we pay. Ring. When you see an insurance, you see the word ring, it means a promise. You die, we pay. That's your engagement ring. Consideration, on the other hand, I will consider you to become a client, okay, as long as you pay me my money. All right, consideration. Incontestability is when you have 2 years, we can check you out in case you are lying to us to make sure we can contest against your lies. If we find out you're lying to us, so we can void your policy. So nobody won't pay you parce qu'on matoye. Number 6. After surrender of a policy, insurer can defer payment for a number of days or months. A, 31 days. B, 60 days. C, 3 months. D, 6 months.
Surrender. What? B?
How long?
Heck,
Can
months.
call them say, listen, I need my money. I don't want this policy anymore, but bon l'argent back. You can dire non, m'a bon l'argent, ou attendre tant le, avant bon l'argent.
Attends, 6 mois. 6 months.
I did say that.
Mhm. 6 months.
Number 7, policy issue in Florida must specify all of the following except A, name of the party to the contract. B, effective date and the period of the coverage. C, risk insured against. D, compensation paid for the transaction. Qu'est-ce que ça
B.
va la donne?
D.
B as in boy?
No, D as in dog.
Oh, now I understand your language. I was going to say, I don't know where did we talk about that? You don't tell the people how much you just make into this policy. If you want to know how much I just get paid, you don't need to come here. I can teach you how to get a license. How about that? Okay. Let's go ahead. We're going to go to the last quiz. Number 1, which of the following is not true of group life insurance? A, not true, okay, remember? Not true. A, the plan must have a conversion privilege. B, the plan must have a grace period. C, an individual certificate are issued to insured. D, each insured must provide evidence of insurability. Which one is not true?
No, D is
D.
not.
Absolutely is not true.
D is not.
The only way D is true is when you enroll when.
When the period, when we know when the period again. The
Not
year that
when
not-
you wanna get to the group plan after the enrollment period. That's what you gotta tell me.
oh, okay, it's that's what that.
Number 2, how long does an employee have to convert the group policy to individual policy if the plan is being terminated without providing insurability? A, 10 days. B, 31 days. C, 60 days. D, 90 days.
B.
If you say B, as in bravo, say amen.
Bravo.
Number 3, group life is usually written what type of coverage? A, whole life. B, decreasing term. C, annual number term. D, universal life. Comment un groupe policy écrit? Qui type de policy qui yo écrit groupe? Comment yo écrit?
Annually, annual renewal term.
Nous va dire ça me mettre ba nous bâton. N'a bon flé nous. N'a ba nous en baf. Man get ta ba nous au palais. Pour musique la ka sorti. Piding piding pang, piding piding ping 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 bang, piding piding ping. Okay. Number 4. When converting group life coverage to an individual coverage, the new coverage can be any type of insurance except A, whole life, B, term, C, universal life, D, variable life.
Boy.
Bravo. No term. Conversion never term. It can be anything else but term. If a group, number 5, if a group policy is terminated, good for you. Good for you. What is the maximum amount person can convert to individual policy? A, 5,000. B, 10,000. C, 20,000. D, no limit. I did not cover that, but 10,000 is the answer.
10,000.
Minimum you have to have in a group to convert. So if you have a group policy that only have 5,000, you are the luck. Sorry, you're not going to convert that. You are the luck. You are in a boom boom. You are in a hot mess. Number 6, under the group life insurance conversion privilege, an employee who terminates membership in the insured group is allowed to A, convert to an individual policy without evidence of insurability, convert to an individual policy if evidence of insurability is given, C, continue to participate in a group plan until cover elsewhere, D, continue to participate in the group plan by taking over premium payment.
Yes, it's a B.
A.
Thank you. Whoever say A sound good to me. Because and if the group is terminate, you can convert. Remember I said that 10 times. Without evidence of insurability, as long as you do it 31 days without 31 days without 31 days without proof of insurability. 7, if a group policy is terminated again for a class of insured, every insured entitled to conversion privilege if the insured has been covered for at least A, 2 years, B, 3 years, C, 4 years, D, 5 years.
5 years.
Depuis hier, it's salté. Never change here. Depuis hier. So, sou bat nan plan, ou de descente again, you are the luck. 3 ans ou nan trouble period. 4 ans même au fiel ou pété. Presque arrivé. Wow. Quelle désolation, man. Et laisse ça ou terminer couple là. Ou dit que comment pas de chance. Pas de chance même. All right, so that's it, guys. I'm sure this idea. I wish you success in your exam. If this is the first time you find those videos, give it a thumbs up, share with the people that you think that probably beneficial to those. Probably make a comment. Please, the comment very important. Please put some comments. Let us know how you do on the test. We really appreciate you. Remember, we love you. May the best player win. I hope you make things happen for you and your family. Bye-bye.